All right, now take your answers that you completed for an engineering marvel and make sure that you understand if you got something wrong. I have indicated what numbers and color coded the different questions. So for instance, number 1 is in yellow here, number 2 is in red, 3 is in blue, 6 is in blue. So question 1, I highlighted in yellow, it's A and B. Question 2 is in red, 3 is in blue, 4 is in green right here. It didn't have to go back to the tab right here, so you could record those words. 5 I highlighted on that sheet. There's question 5. Folly means a foolish idea, and what helps us understand that many people did not believe he could do it. They thought it was a foolish idea. What is the major challenge of the ear canal? How did they overcome this challenge? They built locks. 7, how did they get cargo and people to move without an engine? They used animals. Now you're going to read the Erie Canal. Just like I did, I want you to highlight on your paper. Make sure that you go back and highlight and indicate where you found the only going to go back in paragraph 1. And what is the main idea? Usually it's the first sentence or the last sentence. Answers. So it was paragraph 5, and you're going to find 3. There are 3 pages. Take your time on this. The first question, it says, what is the main point in paragraph 1? The next one, question 2. In paragraph 5, the author states that life along the canal changed as the canal's popularity grew. On the lines below, write 3 examples of the evidence from the text that support this. So 3. Now, it says write a so to support it, use capitals and punctuation. Do not rush through this. You 3 examples. For question 3, it doesn't look like you have to go back. You just have to find underline 2 details in the paragraph that support. It is safe to say that the Erie Canal changed the course of American history. So 2. For question 4, read the question, circle the letter of the correct answer. One city along the Erie Canal gained the nickname the Salt City. Based on details in the passage, what city was that? Part B, underline the sentences in the passage, so you're going to have to go back to answer part A. And then question 5, describe the route that goods from the Midwest took to reach New York City using the canal. Now write your answers. Again, capitals and punctuation. All right, good luck. When you're done, you can put them in the top basket, the in basket. I believe it's the red one.